All right, here we are. Here we are. It's official. The SilverLeaf Amenities. You are seeing it first. This is so nice. It is so exciting. I'm doing multiple videos here of the SilverLeaf Amenities, which is going to be one of multiple amenity centers, pool areas, spray area, tennis courts, kids playground, and dog park. This one is in SilverLeaf Village, and it just opened to residents. This is so much nicer than I even thought it was going to be. So you're able to get the first sneak peek. I'm going to do a tour of the actual building itself, and then be sure that you check out the other videos of the pools, the splash park, and all the other stuff. If this is our first time hanging out together, I'm Josh Rogers. I'm a real estate agent. We help families just like you in and around new construction, building and buying, through all the selections, the contracts, all that kind of stuff. If you have questions, you want to strategize, brainstorm, find out what's best for you and your family, just hit me up in a text, my contact's below, and be sure to check out silverleafvip.com. That's where you're going to get video updates, hot off the press, just like this one. All right, let's go in and check out the building. Okay, so first things first, you have this open air entrance. And over here is going to be probably something like a great hall. It's got tile floors. Not a huge space, but if you were to rent it for a get-together, a party, plenty of space. It has this kitchen area. Oh, there we go. So you do have a, let's see, what is this? Microwave convection oven, it looks like. Two little mini fridges. That front has an open, well, that's part of the open front porch. This overlooks the patio area. It looks like you could slide this up and actually serve a little bit of a serving area overlooking the pool. Quick access out to the paver pool area. And then over here, you're gonna have men and women's bathroom. Right now the facility is closed, so I am going to give you a sneak peek of what this bathroom looks like. I'm not a random guy on YouTube giving you bathroom tours, all right? This is official business. But this is the extent of the bathroom. Again, hey, if this is the first video that you're watching of mine, I'm thrilled to have you. We help families just like you all the time through the build process, selection process, new construction, everything. We actually help the most amount of families, believe it or not, here in North St. Johns County. And we really focus on what's most important to you and your goals as a family, and then really cater the options, really narrow it down to a short list to make your life easier. So right off of this area, nice. Wow, those fans are fantastic. Get it? Fantastic. I'm sorry, I'm a dad of 6, so I do have the dad puns on point. Great area right off of this great hall, overlooking the kids' spray area. And then this is a double-sided, looks like there's gonna be a flat screen TV up there. Double-sided fireplace that everyone can enjoy. Okay, now if we go directly across, that's gonna be the fitness area. So right now it's got some of the deck furniture. Again, some great fans. This is like a lake house feel, lake house resort feel, overlooking the nice covered paver deck with plenty of lights out there. I'm telling you, I've said it before on these amenity tours. If you haven't seen my other tours of the amenities, they're first class. Really a home run. I was afraid the fact that SilverLeaf didn't have CDDs, they were going to skimp on the amenities. I couldn't be further off the mark. The amenities are stellar. Really nice. Really nice. For all my SilverLeaf VIPs, I hope you're enjoying this sneak peek before we release it to everyone else on YouTube. If you don't know about the SilverLeaf VIP, the link is in the description. Now I'm going to give you a tour of this bathroom that actually feeds out to the open patio. Classy, nice. That's like model home finish right there. 2 stalls, handicap stalls, 2 urinals. Now this opens up out here, and there's restrooms in that cabana as well. That's a little area that residents can access where they're checking in. And then this is an area as well to check in. There's a water station. I love the shade. And so this whole area, wow, this is really great. This whole area is actually enclosed with a fence. So if you do have kiddos and you're not really going to do the pool, then the kids just aren't going to be able to freely roam out there into the pool area. I've done 3 videos of this area, so be sure to check those out. What a home run. What a delight. This is going to be one of a couple amenity areas here in SilverLeaf as a whole. This is just in the first phase. So if you want to be on the inside scoop and get new releases like this before the public does, definitely go to silverleafvip.com. It's going to give you plenty of other resources there too. It's a home run. You'll love it. It's free. And then if you have any questions, you want to strategize, I'm a real estate agent. So we're an open book, really giving you the best of the best. So just send me a text. My contact is below. I'll see you in those next videos. This is so fun. It's amazing.